Bitcoin right now is trading below 40,000 US dollar, guys, and in today's video I'm going to talk about the upcoming potential scenarios for the Bitcoin price, and guys, I'm going to give you a exact price target, price range where we might see a top right here if we are going to enter the fifth wave structure to the upside. I'm also going to share with you a tweet I've shared yesterday about the fiat standard. We are going to have a look at some interesting levels in the Bitcoin chart, and like I said right here, we are going to have a look at some potential scenarios, and I'm going to give you an exact price target like I have right here for the fifth wave. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's jump into the Bitcoin price action. But before we are zooming in the Bitcoin price action, guys, let me remind you that right now over on the Bybit platform and on the Femex platform, there are two major bonuses going on. If you sign up using my affiliate link down below on the Bybit exchange, you can get a $600 US bonus, and you will get a 10% discount on your fees for the first month that you are using Bybit. And right now on the Femex platform, there is a major bonus going on, and if you use my sign up link down below to join Femex, you can get an additional bonus of $1,100 US. So that is quite interesting for all the traders out there. So if you are interested in that, you can find my affiliate link below this video. Guys, let's dive into Bitcoin. And before, guys, I have been talking about the bigger picture of Bitcoin, right? And that we might be seeing a structure like this, where we have a fifth wave structure to the upside, which could bring the price of Bitcoin to $100,000 US and above this year, or by the latest, the beginning of next year. So right now in today's video, I want to have a quick look at what could be the potential upside target right here in the fifth wave structure. So guys, there are multiple ways to measure the target of the fifth wave Elliott wave structure, but one of the things that I really do like is using Fibonacci extension tool. So right here, I'm going to use the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom till the third wave right here, measured with the fourth wave. Then we can see that we have the golden ratio, the Fibonacci extension 1.618 is at the level of $128,000 US approximately. So let me put a horizontal line right there. That is going to be in my opinion, a very significant level for Bitcoin if we were to enter the fifth wave structure right here to the upside. Then I'm also going to use the target, the Fibonacci extension tool right here, from only the third wave till the fourth wave, and then we have a target of approximately 100 and slightly below it. It's $120,000 US. So guys, then right here we have a zone between $119 US up till approximately $130,000 US. And as you guys know, a blow off top phase, guys, this is going to be a massive event if we were to see that blow off top around this time, right? If we enter the fifth wave structure right here, if we are going to see that blow off top, it like $10,000 US, to overshoot a target with $10,000 US is definitely possible with a blow off top. So that is something to take in mind, that we could be seeing extreme amounts of volatility. Right now I'm just calculating the target of the fifth wave Elliott wave based on the technicals that we are seeing in the chart, right? So I'm coming to a potential target of $119,000 US up to $130,000 US. And if this is not going to be a target, this will be a very significant zone once Bitcoin breaks $100,000 US. And what I think is interesting, if we have a look at this chart, guys, and this is the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curves, then we can see that right here, if we were to continue this bull market, and if we were to trend upwards right here, then we can see that the top of the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curves, which have been predicting, or which are actually measured based on the previous tops that we have seen in Bitcoin right here in 2011, right here in 2013, right here in 2017, and potentially right here in 2021 or 2022, then you can see that the top of these growth curves are aligning with the zone I've just been pointing out based on the Fibonacci extension tool. So this is, I think, actually quite interesting. And this might be one of the targets, one of the important levels to watch when Bitcoin is entering that fifth wave structure and is going to enter the latest phase of this bull market, entering the blow off top phase. So that is something I wanted to share with you guys, that this might be one of a very interesting target to watch if we are entering right here this uptrend. Then it brings me to the next point. Are we entering that uptrend right now? Well, like I said in yesterday's video, it's too early to say that right now, but we are seeing some very interesting signs, and we are seeing some Bitcoin is going towards some interesting levels. And first of all, I want to share a tweet right here from Wrecked Capital, and he's talking about the 21-week EMA. And normally on our channel we are mostly looking at the 20-week moving average to determine where the Bitcoin is in a downtrend on the weekly or in an uptrend. Also whether it was in a bull or bear market in the year 2017, 2016, right? So the previous bull market, the 20-week moving average, has been a great moving average to check where the Bitcoin was in that bull or bear market. But yeah, a lot of traders, they are using the 21-week EMA as this level instead of the 20-week moving average. So right now we can see that Bitcoin is dancing with this level. And so guys, let's go to the chart right here. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's bring out an EMA right here. Let's bring out the 21 EMA right here on the weekly time frame. Get rid of the drawings, and then we have this nice blue line where we can see Bitcoin right now is actually touching with and actually slightly trading above this level. And yeah, same like the 20-week moving average, we can see that in the previous bull market this level has been acting as support. We had some wicks below this level, but we never really got that weekly close below this level. The moment we had that weekly close below that level, that was actually a signal that we've entered a bear market. And once we were trading below this level was acting as resistance. And right now, we are entering the end. We are going towards the end of the week. And of course, if we were to get a weekly close above this level, which is right now at approximately 39,200, then that would be also a bullish sign for Bitcoin, showing us that there might be more confidence entering the markets. I do think that the 20-week moving average is a very significant level too. This one, the 21-week EMA, is slightly lower. The 20-week EMA is right now at approximately $44,000, so that is slightly higher. But this can also be a first, one of the first levels that Bitcoin can reclaim in order for more confidence to enter the market. So I think this is actually quite interesting if we were to get that weekly close above the 21-week EMA. So that's a interesting level to watch. Then guys, I want to share a tweet with you from Bob Lucas. And I don't know if you know, for the ones that don't know Bob Lucas is the founder of the 4-year cycle, at least the YouTube channel, the 4-year cycle. And he's talking about his price prediction on Bitcoin, and mainly based on the 4-year cycle. So guys, Bob Lucas is sharing right here a couple of scenarios, and I just want to go quickly over them because they are roughly also what I'm preaching right here over on the channel. And what I'm mainly saying right now is that there are actually two potential scenarios. We have, or we start the fifth wave structure to the upside, and we are going to enter the latest phase of the bull market, maybe with that price target of roughly $130,000. Or we are going to get a failed rally right here, and Bitcoin is going to enter a multi-month downtrend. It's still possible to later on this year to enter that new uptrend. I do think that, but there's also possible, there is a possibility, although I don't like that possibility, and it might not be the most likeliest possibility, that we already have seen the Bitcoin top. It's just something we have to consider as well as being a trader, right? Be like water, be prepared for any scenario. That's as well the reason why I want to share with you these scenarios, what Bob Lucas is sharing with us. So he's drawing basically three scenarios. We have the green one, is that Bitcoin right now is going to enter this new uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, and eventually going to surpass previous all-time highs. And similar like the ideas that we have right here on the channel, that we are going to enter that blow off top phase, the fifth wave structure of the Elliott wave structure that we potentially are in right now. Then the second scenario is this blue line, and he's saying that it is possible that we are still getting a rejection, that we are still getting a big fake out to the downside, and then test the levels of 20,000 US dollars, and from there start a new uptrend and go into this fifth wave structure. It is also possible. And we have, of course, the red scenario right here, which is a failed rally and getting rallies that are getting rejected and eventually entering or continuing this downtrend that we are in. So guys, even though right now I do favor the scenario of the bullish scenario right here, that we are going to enter this fifth wave structure, we do have to consider the other scenarios as well. And it's very important to be alert once Bitcoin is showing these signals, right? So for example, Bitcoin right now going above the 21-week EMA. That is good. Of course, that is nice, especially when we get that weekly close. We need to hold that level as well. So once we get that weekly close, for example, above that level, then most likely we will get more confidence. The bulls will get more confidence. However, you should drop that confidence the moment we lose that level again as well. That is very important, because what we often see is that markets try to confuse the traders, right? So then we have, for example, a weekly close above key resistance levels, key levels, and then a lot of confidence is coming back. And then you are in this state of mind with confidence, and you think that a certain scenario is playing out, but then when we are seeing a turnaround, it's very difficult to let go of that belief. So you have to have strict rules with yourself, saying like, okay, once we are breaking this level, I will be more confident. I know that I will be more confident based on historical price action. However, I'm also going to be aware of the fact that I can drop that confidence once we are seeing opposite signals. That is just something I want to share with you guys. That is very important when analyzing the Bitcoin chart, and especially right now to determine, because this is the most important question. We will be talking a lot about it right here on the channel. What is Bitcoin going to do right here? Are we going to get that new uptrend, or are we going to get rejected and going to go into a downtrend, which means that you want to take profits, or maybe you want to open a short position the moment that actually happens. So yeah, guys, that are the things that I'm watching right now in the charts, and these scenarios I think are the potential scenarios out there. And although one scenario is more likelier than the other scenario, we all should consider the other scenario as well in order to be prepared if that scenario happens. Even though there is a lower probability, it is still possible. Then guys, I want to share another tweet I did. I tweeted out yesterday, and for the ones that are not following me over on Twitter, make sure to follow me over on Twitter. You can find the link to my Twitter account down below in the description of this video. But yesterday I was reading a free chapter of the fiat standard, which is actually about food, the implications on food in our society based on monetary policies. And what I've tweeted yesterday is that maybe the implications of our monetary system goes way beyond preserving future wealth. Since 1971, we left the gold standard. We have found ourselves in an increasing unhealthy society. Could this have a correlation? So guys, I do think that this is a very interesting correlation, that we can see at the exact same year we left the gold standard, the health of the people actually went down. And I'm going to drop the link of this article down below in the video description as well. And I would highly recommend everybody to read that article of Saifedean Ammous. It is the same author of the Bitcoin standard. The Bitcoin standard is one of the most important literature on the fundamentals of Bitcoin. So guys, I really do think that Saifedean is researching interesting territory right here and is coming with interesting insights. I know correlation is not always causation, but it's definitely worth to have a read at this article. But okay guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis. If you all enjoyed today's video, make sure to scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. That is very much appreciated. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Then for all the traders out there who are interested in these bonuses over on Bybit and Femix, right now you can get these bonuses when you sign up using my affiliate link down below. On Bybit, $600 bonus and a 10% discount on your fees for the first month. And on the Femix platform, you can get a major bonus of $1,100. So for all the traders interested in that, you can find my affiliate links down below this video. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.